Welcome, problem solving fans, to another problem of the day. And this one is all about Fiona's box of chocolates. It says the box contains 60 chocolates. Let's write that on there. She eats 1/5 of the chocolates. So she's basically eating 1/5 of 60. Well, a half would mean divide by 2, a third would mean divide by 3, a quarter is divide by 4, and a fifth means divide by 5. So to find a fifth of 60, we need to do 60 divided by 5. And those of you who know your 5 times table will know that that is 12 chocolates. So she's basically eating 12 chocolates. So she's eating 12 chocolates. And that leaves it, if you do 60 take away 12, with 48. So we're down to 48 chocolates. Then she gives 32 away. So now we're down to 48. She's giving another 32 away. So let's take 32 off the 48. 8 take away 2 is 6, and 4 take away 3 is 1. So she's down to 16 left. But it does say what fraction of the chocolates does she have left. Now we need to bear in mind that we started with 60 chocolates. So out of the 60 chocolates we started with, she had 16 left. It does say to give this in its simplest form. So we need to basically simplify 16 out of 60. Well, 16 and 60, we need to simplify a fraction, we need to find a number that they both divide by. Well, they could both easily divide by 2. So 16 divided by 2 is 8, and 60 divided by 2 is 30. Now the question is, could we simplify that again? That's an equivalent fraction. So 16 60ths is equivalent to 8 30ths. Well, they're both even numbers, so we could divide them again by 2 to get another equivalent fraction. Well, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. Now, there's no other number other than 1 that we could divide both 4 and 15 by. So that is the final answer. In its simplest form, what fraction of the chocolates does she have left? The final answer is 4/15.